Be honest for a second. You get paid on Friday, you feel rich for about 36 hours, and then by Wednesday you're checking your bank app like, where did all of that go? If that sounds uncomfortably familiar, yeah, this video is for you. Because here's the thing, it's not that you're bad with money, it's that you're stuck at a financial level most people never even realize they're in. My name is Rock, and I spend way too much time thinking about money and how people actually behave with it. If you're someone who feels like you're working hard, earning more than before, but still not getting ahead, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Today, I want to walk you through the 4 financial levels every American passes through, and why most people get stuck at level 2 for life. Level 1, survival mode. This is where money is purely reactive. Your entire financial system is built around one question: can I make it to the next paycheck? According to the Federal Reserve, about 37% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing. That's not a budgeting issue, that's survival mode. Here's what most people don't realize. At this level, math barely matters. Psychology does. When money feels scarce, your brain literally shifts into short-term thinking. You're not planning, you're responding. So if you're here, the goal is not investing. The goal is breathing room. Your only mission at level 1 is building a $1,000 to $2,000 buffer, even if it takes months. That buffer is what moves you to level 2. Level 2, stability, where most people get stuck. Now this is where things get interesting. At level 2, you're paying your bills on time. You might even have a little savings. But somehow, you're still stressed. Why? Because your lifestyle has quietly expanded to match your income. Here's a stat that should annoy you. The average American household earning over $100,000 still lives paycheck to paycheck. Look, this is where people assume, if I just made more money, everything would be fine. That's wrong. The problem at level 2 isn't income, it's lack of margin. You've stabilized chaos, but you haven't built control. Action step. At this level, you need 6 months of expenses saved, and you need to track one number. How much of my income is already spoken for? If it's over 70%, you're stuck. Level 3, control. This is the level most people have never experienced. At level 3, money stops being emotional and starts being strategic. You're no longer asking, can I afford this? You're asking, is this worth it? Here's a simple example. If you earn $80,000 a year and save 20%, that's $16,000 annually. Invested at a conservative 7%, that becomes over $650,000 in 20 years. This is where math finally starts working for you. But the psychological shift is bigger than the math. You stop chasing status. You stop reacting to emergencies. You start deciding. Action step. Automate investing. Automate saving. If decisions are automated, mistakes disappear. Level 4, freedom. This is where money stops controlling your time. Not private jets, not Lambos, options. Freedom is when your investments can cover a meaningful portion of your life. Here's the number most people underestimate. At a 4% withdrawal rate, $750,000 generates $30,000 a year. That doesn't mean quitting work. It means leverage. This is where it gets really interesting. At level 4, your biggest risk isn't running out of money. It's wasting your life chasing more. Action step. Define your enough number, not what Instagram says, what actually buys your time back. Look, most people never escape level 2, not because they're lazy, but because no one explained the game. Money isn't about being rich. It's about progressing levels intentionally. If this helped you understand where you are and what to do next, hit subscribe and comment below. Which level are you on right now? Because once you see the levels, you can't unsee them.